Good morning, everybody. It's your girl Annie from Med School Life, and this is You're Getting Ready with Annie. All right, so today, of course, I go through the process of showing people how to put on their makeup. That's not overdone, so you can go to work. And, as a future physician, I can't wear a lot of makeup, nor can I wear a lot of perfumes. Even though I love perfumes and I do love makeup, you have to keep it, professional, and you never know what people are allergic to, so you have to be real careful when you're in the hospital. People have breathing problems and different things like that, and it's good to know also if you're going to an event and you don't want to be so overpowering. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is my Achilles S brushes. I get those here in Poland because this is where I'm going to med school. Numerous brushes that I can use over and over again. They're really good to have, and they're not expensive. The next thing I have is my Kili S3D blender. Yes. And if I would have thought ahead, I would have got the prices so you can see the difference between Poland and the States. So I have that. Then I have my boutique 3D blender. I love this because it has a handle. If I don't want to get the makeup on my hands, this is the one I go to. I may switch off from this one and move to this one. My next brush is my boutique makeup brush. Now, I love this brush. Do you see that? It has two ends. Okay, now everything I've shown you is what I purchased here in Poland. And believe it or not, the prices are just amazing. So those are what I consider my tools of choice. And then I have this lip brush that I have had for forever. I don't know where you can get it, where, how, but see that? I love this lip brush. It takes apart, it comes together. This is like my favorite. It's just like a keepsake. So I just wanted to show you that. Now, the thing about health and beauty, and as you know, they always go together, health and beauty. But health is always first. If you've noticed that, even though beauty begins with a B, they say health and beauty. Why? Because if you don't have your health, if you're not taking care of your body, it doesn't matter how much makeup you put on. And they'll tell you, you can put makeup on dehydrated skin, but it's not going to look good. You're dehydrated. So the next thing I want to show you is my water. Of course, it's almost empty because I always drink my water. Then I put on my sunscreen. This is a great product right here. I got this from a really, really good friend of mine from China. And I tried it and I love it. It's an awesome, awesome sunscreen. And I just think it's amazing. I meet so many people here from around the world, so you would be surprised at what I am introduced to as far as beauty products and things like that. The next thing I came across was, which I think is amazing. I found this product. It's called a makeup base, and it reduces wrinkles and lines, and you put this on before you put your foundation on. Now, if you guys have been getting ready with me for a while, you know that I love my Diego Dalla Palma 35 foundation. Of course, I got this here in Poland at their makeup store is called Douglas. It's at Zaravsky's and Kova. They have really good prices. The next thing that I love is my, see if you can see that. Okay, that's my Maxi all-in-one mascara. Yes, love that. Then I have my Sephora Flash Jumbo Crayon Lip Pencil. This is my Beauty Balm Lip Tint. Great color. It's like a peach. And then I have my Crystal Gloss Ruby Kisses that I use. Now, the star of the show, and no pun intended, is my Douglas Beauty Palette. And I've taken this apart before on these segments. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how much I can open this up to. You see that? Look at that. It's amazing, right? And this is what I use to get ready. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've already applied my sunscreen. Now I'm going to go in and apply my base, which I love because I love anything with a pump. Anything with a pump, look, I'm for it. I'm there for it. Let me tell you. And you don't need much. It's supposed to decrease wrinkles and your mimic lines. And as you can see, I'm always frowning because I'm always confused in class. Oh no. They introduce a new medical school topic and I'm just like, huh, what'd you say? But you put it on and it is, listen, this base is like velvet. It just glides on. It's gliding. Oh my goodness. It's light. And what it's going to do is it's going to really make your foundation go on so much smoother. So much smoother. So now what we're going to do is we're going to usher in my makeup brushes because they are new. So we're going to break them in. All right, so let's go. Of course, I said I love everything with the pump, didn't I? Okay, so we are going to introduce this today. Yeah, I can tell the difference from putting that base on for sure. I can definitely tell the difference. Oh my goodness, it's wonderful. Yeah. Okay. So now let's just put that on. And hopefully this is a new brush that I'm using. I want it to, sometimes your brushes don't get really good until you use them for a while. I'm so used to using my fingers. I'm getting used to these makeup gurus online. I got more tools than I've ever had before, because they just come out the woodwork with their tools. Now, I am not a person who does a lot of contouring. I believe in just a nice base to help with the makeup. Like I just make sure that as I'm going through and doing my foundation and making sure my skin looks good, I think that's the main thing that I focus on. That's why I work out. I don't know if you guys have gone and watched my workout videos. I'm on a 365-day change your life journey, and I have a few subscribers who want to change their life, who want to get healthy, And listen, I know that makeup is fun and you can do a lot with it. But I definitely focus more on the health part, even though I love getting ready with you guys. And I love, reading your comments and anything you want to talk about, I can address while I'm getting ready. So hopefully over time, as people begin to follow me and see me going to the hospital and taking care of people, I'll get more subscribers on my channel, because it's not just about makeup. I really do try to educate people. One of the main things that's going on right now is type 2 diabetes is just rampant, and it's sad to see people in that state. It really is sad to see. And I try to do my best in terms of educating people and making sure that if anybody asks me a question, I try to be as honest as I can, from my knowledge base, and making sure they're educated, because it took me a while. I've been on this journey for 5 years plus. 5 years plus. I had 5 years of undergrad. I had med school that I'm getting through now. I've got rotations, you know, and then I'm gonna have to do residency. So there's a lot of knowledge that I know, but there's still a lot that I have to discover, you know, and I want to share that with people, you know, before they get sick, before they have to, you know, come see me. I want to educate and put people on the right path. Okay, that's my goal. Now, there we have that. Okay, and I want to put another light yellow on my lid. I'm going to use the yellow. And I try to keep these videos under 15 minutes. So that is always my goal, because I believe, you know, you should be able to get ready in 15 minutes, you know. You don't want to wait for us to get our faces together. And, you know, for me, my patients aren't going to wait. Okay, I like that. That's like a really nice yellow gold look. I like it. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyes with the pencil. This outline there. I thought about doing a smoky eye. I might have to do a video with a smoky eye. Would you guys like to see me do a smoky eye? It'll be the first, I'm telling you. It would be a first for sure. And not sure how that would go over, but I could try it. I can attempt, you know. Listen, makeup is supposed to be fun, and there's nothing wrong with trying something you haven't tried before, because guess what? It'll all wash off, and you can start over, go back to what you know if it don't come out right. So true, right? Okay. Okay. Now, sometimes the hardest part is getting these eyebrows together. Even though my eyebrows are tattooed on, I still like to go over them a little bit with my brush, just a little bit. I don't have to do much because they are tattooed on. I can go really light, and just to give them the shape, you know. And like I said, you know, they do have really good places here that you can go and get your eyebrows done or your lip liner done semi-permanently. And you know, they call it permanent, but it really is semi-permanent, because you have to go back and get it touched up. It's a tattoo, you know, and tattoos fade. And you know, I think I put a video out there now that I've in med school. I know why, you know, I know the metabolism behind why tattoos fade, and you know, I also know why you probably shouldn't get tattoos. But you know, it is what it is, people. It is what it is. Okay, so you've got my eyes are done, my eyebrows are done, and I just gotta do a little bit of mascara. And I think you guys are going to be okay with the result once it finishes, you know. And like I said, I always try to keep it under 15 minutes. I think that's important. We don't have all day. And that's also why I definitely list my products up front. I list them up front so that if you want the list, you have it already, and then you can just sit back and watch me get ready without having to write things down. You can just watch and listen to whatever the topic is, as far as, you know, getting ready with me in the morning before I go start my day. And here we go. My final little touches of blush. Y'all know I love my blushes. I really do. And I don't really, like I said, I don't contour. One, because That's a whole nother level of makeup. And listen, I've been in the book so long, trying to get this medical thing right for you guys. And listen, I'm trying to be a good doctor, not listen, I'm trying to get it. So when y'all come see me, y'all know, say Annie, she know what she doing. That's one thing you can count on with her. She knows what she is doing. She may not know how to highlight or contour, but she knows what she's doing. So guys, I hope you liked my video today. I'm going to put on my kisses and I'm calling it a day. Bye guys. And I hope you like the end result. You like it? Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.